Hello, I am Ilko Visser. Today I want to show you a new feature of the researchr conference application that should be useful to you if you'll be attending one of the conferences hosted there. I have decided that I want to attend Splash 2015 in Pittsburgh. I have registered for the conference, booked my flight, and booked a room in the conference hotel. All ready to go. But I still need a plan for when I'm at the conference. As usual at Splash, the program is a little overwhelming, and in the heat of the moment, I never remember what I wanted to attend. So, to help with that, we added support for personal schedules to the application. Let's have a look at how that works. When you're at the main page of the conference, use the complete program entry in the program menu to see the entire program of the conference. Now you can use the faceted search to reduce the search space a bit. For example, let's start with having a look at the keynotes of the conference. I'll want to attend those for sure. So I select the Keynotes button, which shows the keynotes of the main conference. By clicking the star icons, I add the keynotes to my personal program. Now I'd like to attend a few UPSLA talks as well. So I select the UPSLA tab, browse the program, and select some talks that look interesting. When I now select the Your Program button on the program page, I see my personal schedule. Will this selection still be there when I'm at the conference, you may now wonder. Well, if I reload the page, we can see that the program is indeed still there. Even when I go back to the main page, select the program page, and select Your Program, my selection is still there. However, this works by associating my personal program with a cookie. If I switch to another browser, the selection is gone. So let's see how it works. So here I'm in Chrome. If I go to Your Program, it will say that your schedule is empty. And this will of course also be the case when you use another mobile device at the conference. So, to persist your selection across browsers and devices, you should sign in to researchr with your user account. If you are an author or a committee member at any of the conferences hosted at researchr, you probably already have an account. Let me go back to Firefox. So when I sign in, the selection I just made will also be available when I sign in with another browser and on our device. So let's check that. So here we see that the selection of the keynotes and the UPSLA talks are available, and also some talks that I selected earlier. And when I go to Chrome and I sign in here as well, and I select Your Program, I see that all the talks that I selected in Firefox are now available in Chrome as well. And this will also be the case with the browser in my iPad or my phone. So that's all. We hope you like researchr, and see you in Pittsburgh.